Hey guys, and welcome back to the Bearded Dane. As usual, I just have to, hang on for a second. And I'm back. I might not buy a new camera. I guess this is going maybe to be my, channel thing, where I have to pause it because of the software. But anyways, today is going to be kind of a different video because I had this idea. How to do that on YouTube, I was thinking, and now I'm just, doing it, I guess. I want to make a video for you guys where you can ask me questions. Any beard grooming questions, whatever. So this is going to be the video for that. And before I talk any more about it, please subscribe, hit the like button and the little bell to get notifications when I'm making a new video. And right now it's pretty important because on Friday at 9 p.m. Central European Time, Beardthings and I are going to go online and do live stuff where I hope to see you guys participating. Could be fun. It's our first time doing a live thing, so please see you there. Anyways, talking about, questions. Whatever questions you guys may have on beard grooming, beard tips, questions on different oils, not necessarily the brand of oil, but the carrier oils in the beard products, how to groom your beard, how to, washing questions, how to grow a good beard. Just to let you know, I started this journey here like little under 3 months ago, from scratch till this. It's been growing pretty well. I've been doing a lot of stuff to get it here actually, and right now, I planned on doing a year, if you know that term, means I'm going to let it grow without doing anything to it. I am going to fade my sideburns here a bit into the hair when I'm getting a haircut in not too distant a future, I guess. I'm going to fade these, but that's about it. The rest I'm going to let it grow and see where it goes from here. Speaking of my beard, I'm testing these babies right now from Baden, and it's time for me to put in a bit more of this oil today. I'm going to tell you why when we get to the review video. This is good stuff. It makes my beard feel ultra soft. It's really nice. And I'm going to tell you all about it when it gets to the review. Not that I want to do any commercials. I'm not getting paid for doing this. I'm not getting any kickbacks. I have a discount code for their products, and they are amazing. But this is not actually what this video is about. I just wanted to put in some oil because I have to now. Felt like it at least. So anyways, questions. I want you guys to take part in this video. If you have any questions for me, put them down in the comments. Questions on whatever beard related, and I will answer them. And if you have any products you would like me to look into, maybe make a review on, test, whatever, write them in there as well. Maybe a link, if you have it, to a site where I can get the product you want me to check out. I'll check it out for you guys and make a review, talk about it, tell you how it feels. The most important thing to me, 2 things: feel in beard, how it makes my beard feel. That's number 1. Second, of course, is the scent. How it smells, how long it smells, how subtle it is, how strong the scent is, all these things. So the scent and the feel in beard, that's my 2 number 1s. And I think most people, most guys, that is your number 2 number 1s as well, I guess. Carrier oil, stuff like that, I won't be going into that too much in my reviews. I'm just going to put it up here and you can freeze frame it and look at it into it yourselves. So feel in beard and smell, scent will be my 2 number 1s in my reviews. But hey, enough talk. This video was just to let you know that this exact video is for you guys to comment down below, to put in your questions and let me know what you're wondering about. If you have any trouble with, dandruff, whatever, dry skin, things you want to know about, and I'll try and help you out the best I can. So, that was just a short video on that, so have a nice day. Hope to see you in here. Remember, subscribe, ask the questions. Hey.